Hey Sherry 4x4, Mike Sherry here, and I have got a big truck to show you today. This is a 2020 Ram 3500 with the Rocky Ridge K2 package on it, which includes a 5-inch suspension lift, 37-inch tires, 20-inch wheels, and a lot more that I'll show you here in just a second as we get into this video. So this pickup is actually a pre-owned. Ram 3500 has right around 5,000 miles on it. We typically always stock a lifted Ram 3500, but with the recent shortage and things like that, you just can't get brand new ones. So we found as close to brand new, and I'll show you that as we get into it, as you can find. And I'm just really excited to show this truck to you today. It's a true joy to ride. It rides down the road excellent, and definitely probably the coolest looking truck around. So let's just jump into it. Got the Rocky Ridge decal up there on the top of the windshield. We got a hood graphic up there. The front end of this pickup is actually a limited, so this is top trim level for the Ram 3500, so you're gonna have all the options on it. It's got the front camera, got the front parking sensors up here, painted front grille, and the Ram is painted up there as well. LED headlights, fog lights down low. Look at the suspension system in here. All professionally done by Rocky Ridge, all backed by their 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty. It complements the warranty on this Ram pickup truck. Again, 20-inch Mayhem wheels wrapped in Nitto Trail Grappler mud terrain tires. Again, 37-inch rubbers on this. Of course, this has the Cummins turbo diesel in it, 6.7 liter turbo diesel. Also got power running boards here. I don't think the back's ever been used. You got your leather seats, premium leather. Perimeter seats back here are going to be heated. Also have your USB ports up here, and then you're going to have your 400-watt wall outlet right there. You got your limited matting down here, Berber inserts on those mattings. You got your increased storage here. Little tray that flips out. Again, power running board. Looky here, still has the plastic covers here for the entrance on the transition there. So that's how new this used truck is. Bed rails look good, bedside looks good. Look at that tread. It's a cool truck. So in the front there, they've added an extra fender flare up there, painted to match. You got your fender flare on the rear dually as well. Has parking sensors in the rear here. Also has a rear camera, of course. And then down here, you've got your towing receiver. It's the big 2.5-inch. And then you have your wiring here. You have your 7-pin wiring, and that's hooked to your brake controller, factory brake controller. I'll show you inside, and then your 4 wiring for your smaller stuff. Backup camera's built right into that. Does have keyless entry with tailgate release and remote start, in addition to your lock and unlock. And here we have factory spray and bed liner. Has the puck system here if you want to add goose ball or 5th wheel hitch. It's literally a plug and play. Mopar sells the hitch or the ball, and it's a really nice setup there. You got your wiring already set up here for your trailers, your 7 and your 4 again. Got some tie downs, got some lighting. And then up there is a Titan fuel tank. It's an auxiliary fuel tank that's been added, which is really nice. Got your Ram mud flaps back here. No disappointments on this pickup truck. So you got your tow mirrors that'll flip out. And these mirrors are full power too. They power fold in, and then both mirrors on this assembly here is power, both the cat eye and the regular mirror. Now financing is available on this pickup truck. That's one thing beautiful about buying a lifted pickup that's already ready to go, is you can finance the entire package. I gotta stand way back to get this all in view, but yeah, financing is available. I'll post a link down below if you want to see if you qualify and what the rate and terms and all that will be. So you got the plastic on the transition here, So we come in, full power seat, two-way power lumbar. Everything in here looks really, really good. Here's your Titan auxiliary fuel pump button. You can turn that on and it'll pump it into the main tank of the pickup. All right. These power running boards make it nice to get up in here. So only 5,743 miles on it. This will still have remainder of factory warranty. Over here on the left, let's just start here. Again, you have full power mirrors and power folding mirrors. Both sides power fold in just fine and power fold out. Power windows and locks as well. Automatic headlights. We have hands-free connectivity as well as your center cluster control. If you look at the cluster here, it's a unique cluster, so it has Rocky Ridge custom badging actually in the cluster. So they've taken the dash apart and put them in, which is really nice. Has adaptive cruise control, gearing control here if you're in the mountains. You want to downshift, you can do that easily right here at your right thumb. Push button start. Still has a column shifter. It's an automatic transmission. I know a lot of you like that compared to the little dial thing they do on the 1500s. Here is your four-wheel drive control, and then this has the 12-inch radio. So this is the radio everyone likes. It's going to have, let's see here, AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth capabilities. This truck has heated seats, vented seats up front here, as well as a heated steering wheel. It has 2 zones of climate. That's all automatic. Factory navigation, in addition to Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, all that good stuff. And then your backup camera. It's not just a backup camera. You got backup camera. You've got bed cam. You got side cams. And then let's check this out. You got a zoom here on your back cam, and I'm just going to go ahead and put it in reverse, and this will pop this up as well. So a lot of different camera views to help you out. Coming on down here, this is that factory brake controller, and then you can adjust the trailer height. There's actually airbags back there on that back axle that allows you to adjust that. You've got up to 6 auxiliary inputs here if you want to add lights and things of that sort, which is a really nice feature. This right here is a wireless car phone charger. So if I put my phone in there, it'll wirelessly charge it, and it also keeps it in place. I like that. There's spot for 2 phones, but 1 wireless charger, a couple beverage holders, a change organizer in there. Get that out of the way. You got your limited badging. And then I did pull up the history on this. So yeah, 1 owner pickup truck, never been in an accident. I agree, it's just as clean as they come. We post these on our website, that history report. So if you're looking for the biggest, baddest truck out there, definitely take a closer look at this one. This is a cool truck. By being a Rocky Ridge upfitted, again, it doesn't void any warranty. It's Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard compliant, so it can go on the road. There's no issues there. Also, the speedometer is being recalibrated for those bigger wheels and tires. So all around, just one cool truck. When we get these in new, there is a lot of response. And this pre-owned, by a little bit less than a new one, but you just can't even find a new one right now. So crazy. All right, thanks for watching, everyone. Thanks for hanging out with me, and thanks for looking at this truck. Take care. Bye-bye.